Okay, the purpose of this video is to show NDI as a source coming into Panamation. Could be useful for telestrating live events or just making notes on video that you have passing through the interface. So let's show how to do that. I'm going to go ahead and start by loading up the windowed version of Pan Am, the 780 window. I'm going to 1920 by 1080 window screen here, so I want to be able to show this as well as a couple other things. So here we are in the workspace. I'm going to also let's do it from the telestrator mode. No particular reason other than just makes sense for this demo. And let's open up our source, which I'm going to use our preview visualizer that comes with the application. This is a neat application that is leveraging some of our older SD effects that you can tie into NDI. So for example, I've got this film loop that I'll just loop it while we're playing. So all these little window frames here could be an NDI source. Terminator here smashes the screen and reveals another. So we're gonna work towards getting this working with HD resolution compiled effects too. But for now, it works as a great little player, and I'm gonna go ahead and send this out to source one. And we're done with looking at that. So now it's a matter of just going ahead and choosing it from here, and when it becomes available, it comes on screen, and you can see here that it's playing back. Okay, so what am I seeing on the NDI out? Let's take a look. So I turn on NDI out and open up our NDI monitor, and what you're going to be seeing is actually nothing until I draw something in the workspace. So if I draw a little line in here, you can see what's going on. And if you wanted to see the image that's coming through or passing through on the output, you could do that by clicking on this snappy button and choosing snap stroke, which shows the image there being passed on to the output. And you can say, this guy's bad guy right there. So anyway, this can also be saved as an image if you drag and drop it into your workspace here or into your projects. So save. So there he is. I can draw tons of little Terminators. Oh no, Terminators everywhere. I can do so. Anyway, that's that. And other things in this snappy button are snap background. So what that does is it does grab an image of what's passing through and puts it in the workspace here, but you can't see it on the output. So maybe for some reason you don't want to see what you're looking at in your workspace here on the actual output. That's how that can be done. So that's it. That's all there is to it. Any of these sources could be any other NDI source. If you want to disconnect from one and choose another, you can. And then of course your NDI out is going on here. And that is all to this video. So I'm going to go ahead and stop, and we'll see you later.